Hi, I'm going to read for you The Snowstorm. The Snowstorm. Okay? So this is a level F book from Reading A to Z. Reading A to Z. So, it is getting cold outside. The wind is blowing. There is a nip in the air. We say a nip in the air, it means like, ooh, like cold, like that. Okay. Jamel and Isha run into the house. They get their coats. They come back outside. White flakes begin to fall. Jamel and Isha open their mouths. They catch snow on their tongues. Now, here, mouths, it has a TH and an S, which is very hard to do. So the TH we kind of do a little bit quick. So mouths, mouths, okay? The TH is very, very small sound, okay? The snow begins to fall fast. It falls faster and faster. The snow gets deep. It gets deeper and deeper. Okay, faster and faster and deeper and deeper. The wind blows harder. It gets colder and colder. Jamel and Isha go into the house. It feels good to be warm. So they have a nice house, nice rug and fireplace like that, okay? It'd be good for marshmallows. Take care. The Snowstorm. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.